Okay, so for this one, yeah, I do not like the directions on it. Standard form to me is exactly what you have. I'm not sure that the equation is right. I'll have to check that when I get there. Um, but it's the ax squared plus bx plus c, and then some books call what I call vertex form, which they have right here, standard form. Anyhow, they're showing you right here what they mean in terms of how they want the answer formatted. So with that, I think I'm still going to get something. At least it'll be at a different form and like maybe reduced. I'll have to see how this comes out. But I'm just going to use this exactly as they have it, except I'll write it as y equals a and then x minus h quantity squared plus k. So I need x and y are my variables, so I need to find a, h, and k. And they gave me h and k already. Sweet. So h and k are 4, -2. And then they gave me a point xy, which we can plug in right there for the x's and the y's, of 2, 2. So we know it goes through this point, and we know its vertex is this. So with that, that gives me 4 of those 5 letters, and it's going to let me solve for a. So let me show that. Y was 2 equals a is what we're trying to figure out. X was also 2 minus h was 4, and then k was -2, so I'll just write that as -2. And now I just have a one variable equation and I can solve for the a. So let's go 2 equals, this would be 2 minus 4 would be -2 squared, which would be positive 4a minus 2. And then I'll add that 2 over to this side, so we'll go plus 2, and that's going to give us 4 equals 4a, or a equals 4. So our equation in what I would call vertex form is y equals, oh, I'm sorry, a is 1, excuse me. It was dividing, and then I jumped my answer there. A equals 1. So we don't need to actually write that 1, so I'll just leave it as an invisible 1 right there in terms of typing the answer. So it should be x minus 4 quantity squared minus 2. And then if it had been something else, obviously if this had been -2 or something, there'd be a -2 right there. Cool. Hopefully that helps.